Welcome back. On Friday, just before the markets were to close, I had brought out a video about how there could be a fall in the markets on Monday. We saw a very deep cut at open, but to add to my Friday's video, I had come out with another YouTube in the morning today. I had mentioned that there will be a recovery in some time. We saw a recovery, and it was pretty good recovery. There were lots of shades of tentativeness in that recovery as well, to the extent that for those who watch the market movements, the market in the last hour kept going in the green and the red, so it kept on changing its colors like a chameleon. Yet I think it was an interesting session. Market had to factor in many things. Now, so that's the importance of trying to guess things scientifically, not guess, to estimate things scientifically in advance. Friday, we could see that there would be a gap down opening, and that's what happened. Those who were a part of my premium plus and premium, they were given all this information and they had taken their positions and puts accordingly. So they made very good money. Couple of things show that the market is at the crossroads. One is, you see the resurgence in the COVID cases. At the same time, you see many of these pharma stocks being beneficiaries of the emphasis going on healthcare. You see lots of metal stocks doing well across the world on the coattails of a global economic recovery. Now, India is going through a second wave, and it's really sad certain things which are happening. You hear of oxygen capacitors being blocked in the customs warehouses in New Delhi airport. They have been there for like few weeks now. The people are struggling for oxygen in the hospitals, and these capacitors are lying in the warehouses of customs authorities. It's pretty sad. I don't know why they're not being cleared. Even the vaccination drive is something which is turning out to be a very difficult to understand situation. In parts of Mumbai, there have been no vaccines for the last 3 days. In this crisis, I think there should be not even a single hour that should go waste. There should be people employed even around the clock to give vaccinations. People are struggling to go on the COVID web portal and just register themselves. Many are saying that in 1 minute, that 18 to 28, that age group, they were completely full. Within 45 seconds, that's what somebody told me. It's completely, there were some slots, and all the slots got full. So now the focus is on the younger guys, younger generation. What about the people with the 45 plus who are ready for a second dose? They don't even know where to register, where to go. They're already overdue. So it's really a difficult situation, and all this has impact on the economic activity. When things are all half and hunky dory, it's not everything is hunky dory. You really don't know which way you stand. So people become a little more confident once they are well vaccinated, or rather, this is if you have your first dose, you're partially vaccinated. If you have the second dose as well, you're fully vaccinated. Until all that is gone through, things are a little apprehensive stage. Yet I believe that the markets are not ready to come off the cliff, so as to say. There will be many instances in this climb which will be very scary. Some you will be able to see tomorrow itself. But having said that, and having advised you to exercise caution, I can say with certain that India as a country is trying really hard to face this crisis, and almost every government, state government, central government are really trying to pool all their resources together. Professor M. Vidyasagar of the advisory body to COVID-19 says that as early as April 2, they had warned the central government that there's going to be a great flood of COVID cases coming up, which can go into lakhs of infections per day. And he said that the government did try and take steps at that point of time. Professor Vidyasagar is an esteemed, well-known scientist, and his views are well regarded in the population in the world. And we just hope that the people are politicians and all in Bengal also, all this is over, that people are able to now put all this behind them and move ahead in life. And lots of analysis we had of these results and all yesterday, but at the end of the day, I'm sure one would appreciate that the people of West Bengal, they voted for the person who they felt is collectively the best for them. Okay, now it's their decision. We as countrymen can only respect their decision, and I'm sure they at the ground level they are well conversant with what's going on and who can best deliver the goods. It's for them to decide. It was a hard-fought battle. Anyway, coming back to the markets, that we will be at a crossroads. There will be a resurgence of cases at many points of time. There will be tremendous attempts by the government to try and get over it. So the markets will continue to be in a situation where they'll be constantly fighting different situations at a particular point of time. And we will have to navigate through all these difficult situations. Yet there will be some steep falls and steep rises as well. This is how I would characterize the rest of this week. Be cautious and do join my Premium or Premium Plus to get a more bird's eye view of what's lying ahead. Number is 9820861044. भाई और बहनों, जो दिख रहा है भारत भी आएगी मार्केट्स में, जो 4 दिन है हफ्ते के, और गिरावटें भी दिखाई देंगी. दोनों को नेविगेट करके आप सबको आगे चलना है. तीखे होंगे अभी काफ़ी, जो चढ़ेगा तो भी बहुत तीखा बढ़ सकता है. ये नहीं सोचें कि सिर्फ कोविड की वजह से ही गिरेगा मार्केट. इसमें बहुत सारे प्लस माइनसेस होके ही मार्केट अब चलने वाला है. लेकिन इसमें कई पॉजिटिव्स, गवर्नमेंट का फाइट बैक हो रहा है. फाइज़र ने अभी अनाउंस किया कि मैं अपनी वैक्सीन भी हम लोग ला रहे हैं इंडिया में. तो इंडिया की जैसे ये अच्छी न्यूज़ भी आएगी तो फाइट बढ़िया होते जाएगा, और रिसर्जेंस के हिसाब से मार्केट में फिर अच्छी उछाल भी देखने को मिलेगी. कई बार आप देखेंगे कि कोविड केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं तो गिरावटें भी आएंगी. तो ये दोनों का मिला जुला फल मिलेगा. और कोई कभी लगता है जोशी की तरह बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, मिला जुला फल मिलेगा. हाँ, ये जो है क्या कहते हैं, ये ग्रह अच्छा है और ये अच्छा नहीं है, इसके लिए मिला जुला फल मिलेगा. अरे भाई कोई दक्षिणा तो दे दो. चलो, हाँ, कोई जोशी ने भी बोला था. उसे किसी बड़ा जोशी में नाम भूल गया आपको. वैसे वो याद भी होता तो मैं कहता नहीं, मेरा ऐसा आदत नहीं है किसको, इतना अच्छा इंसान हूँ भाई. किसने बोला कि बंगाल के रिज़ल्ट अगर 2:15 के पहले आ गए तो ये भाजपा जीत जाएगा, उसके बाद आए तो तृणमूल जीतेगा. तो पूछे क्यों, बोले वो चंद्र का कुछ राशि परिवर्तन होगा इसके लिए. कोई बोले अंगारक योग की वजह से कोरोना के केस इतने बढ़ गए. तो मैंने किसको बोला भाई ये अंगारक योग क्या होता है ज़रा देखो. तो असिस्टेंट ने निकाला पर्ची और उसमें से देखा तो राहु और मंगल साथ में होते हैं. लेकिन वो जाके थोड़ा वो मैथमेटिक्स करके देखे तो वो तो साथ में थे ही नहीं, उस वक्त काफ़ी दूर हो चुके थे. पर वो बोले कि इसकी वजह से बड़े हैं. हमने बोला भाई ठीक है. नमस्ते भाई और बहनों. और थोड़ा ऐसा रहेगा, थोड़ा उतार भी रहेगी, कभी कभी गिरावटें भी आएंगी, उतार बढ़ेगा भी, और मिला जुला फल देगा मार्केट. थोड़ा और डिटेल में जाना हो तो ज़रूर संपर्क करेंगे 9820861044. चलो, आज थोड़ा सा हंसी मजाक हो गया, और आप लोगों का कल का भी दिन भी अच्छा रहे. तो और डिटेल में आपको तो मैं बताते रहता हूँ, ठीक है ना. और संपर्क भी करें। तो ये कोई भी टेलीग्राम का दोनों में से जो भी चैनल आपको पसंद है ज्वाइन कर लें। ठीक है, जय हिंद, जय भारत।